Hi, welcome to Math Test Prep, where today we're going to answer a standardized math test question, finding percent with a proportion. The question is, the label on Adriana's carton of juice has this information listed. 1 serving size equals 1/2 of a cup. Each serving size has 30% of the recommended daily amount of vitamin C. Yesterday, Adriana drank 2 1/4 cup of juice. What percent of the recommended daily amount of vitamin C was in the juice that Adriana drank yesterday? So we know that 1/2 of a cup is 30% of her daily amount. We want to know what is the percent of her daily amount if she drinks 2 1/4 cup of juice. So this is a proportional relationship. So our first ratio is that 1/2 of a cup gives her 30%. So therefore, we want to know 2 1/4 cup gives how much of a percent. So to solve for this x value, to answer our question, we are going to use the cross product property, where 1/2 times x will equal 30% times 2 1/4. So here's our equation, 1/2 times x, our cross, and then our second cross, 30, we drop the percent to use the math, times 2 1/4. So to multiply, we're going to rewrite this as, if you're using a calculator, 2.25 times 30 is 67.5. To solve this equation, you can either divide 67.5 by 1/2, and a calculator would be 0.5, or we could multiply both sides of the equation by 2, and 2 times 67.5 is 135. Remember, this was 135% of her daily amount needed.